Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get and use the auto arm in Astroneer. This is going to be especially useful for making an automated process for building or crafting some things. So to begin, first of all, you'll need two materials to get it, and that is graphite, which can be found on every planet, and on the starting planet it is going to be found inside of the mountains biome. The second ingredient is aluminum, which is refined from laterite inside of the smelting furnace, and laterite can be found on every planet inside of caves. And to research the auto arm, go to the small printer tab, go to the second row, and in the first position you'll see the auto arm. So go ahead and unlock it and craft it, and also you will need a medium platform A or any other platform which is going to be bigger than this, so you can place the arm onto it and connect it with the cable plug. Now for the use, as you can see, when you aim at the auto arm, it is going to show these two circles. One is green, and this green circle, which is going to be located at the side where the auto arm is pointing to. This side is going to be the side where it is going to be picking up items from, and the blue side, it is going to be the side where it is going to be placing the items to. Also, you can filter items by using a example item and placing it inside of the middle. As you can see, when you aim at it, it is going to say filter graphite. This means that it is going to only pick up graphite from this green area and place it anywhere in this blue side. So this is pretty much all, how the auto arm functions and how to craft it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.